This is elevator 1 at Thompson Hall at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. This is originally a 70s Otis elevator, but sadly it was modernized with PTL Centurion fixtures. Not sure when the modernization was done. Fancy doors. Basement, here we go down. This one obviously does serve the large center opening cab. Here's the basement. Bounce over there. Basement. Looks like service area up to 3. Smart rise. It's just not going to work us. Here we go. Here are 3. Union signage, go back to number 1. Best locking the cabinet and a best lock for the stop switch, but we have an FEO fire key switch. It's a basic stainless steel redone cab. There's another elevator here that has, there's the same or smaller, and there's mod with Innovation Bruiser fixtures. Here back at 1. That's gonna be it.